Can you double your phone's battery life just by using night mode? Let's find out if this popular setting is a true power saver. Modern smartphones are power-hungry devices. Between high-resolution displays and constant app usage, our batteries are under immense pressure every single day. The biggest culprit is often your screen. High brightness levels require significant energy to illuminate every pixel, draining your battery much faster than you might realize. Display technology matters too. AMOLED screens are unique because each pixel is self-emissive, meaning black pixels are actually turned off to save energy. On the other hand, LCD screens use a backlight that stays on regardless of the color. While dark mode helps, the power savings are less dramatic. Enabling dark mode is simple. Just head to your display settings on Android or iOS to toggle the theme and instantly reduce your screen's power draw. In my own testing, I saw a 20% boost in battery life. Some studies even suggest up to 30% savings in specific scenarios. Night mode isn't just about aesthetics. It is a practical tool for longevity. Try it out today and let me know your results in the comments. If you found this tip helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and keep your battery charged.